We all know the Renaissance film releases this weekend, and what can we learn from Queen Bee and apply it to our author careers? Well, one, her craft, her dedication to it, and everything she does for it nonstop. We can learn from that. But another thing that we can learn is how she will take one piece of content and apply it to multiple streams of income. So we had Renaissance, the album, the tour, and now the movie. And I'm pretty sure there's merch and all types of other things that can come from this one piece of content, right? So when we write a book, how many different ways can we monetize it? We can sell it in ebook form, paperback, direct to our store, Kindle Unlimited. We can make it an audio. We can create merch for it. There's so many different things we can do. Be creative. Think of all the different ways that you can sell your one content that you spent hours creating. Multiply it. Multiply that content as many ways as possible. If you want more on this, let me know.